Today, I want to talk about what to expect in today's market if you are selling a house. I mean, with COVID and with us being past 2020, I got to talk about what you should expect if you do decide to sell. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. All right, thanks for coming back. Before we get started, click on that like button for me. Let's get right into it though, and stay until the end of this video because there's going to be some key information I will tell you that will explain everything I'm about to say. So let's get started. Number one, the first thing you should expect if you do decide to sell in today's market is you might get multiple offers, okay? You might get a lot of interest very quickly. So be prepared for that, all right? But even before I got to the multiple offer situation, what you can expect as well is most of us know exactly what to do right now and how to protect somebody else and respect somebody else's home. People are really taking COVID serious. They are taking precautions. We do have, every single person has a mask, okay? These are some of the masks we have in the office, but people have the masks. There are hand sanitizer available. We are doing what it takes to respect your home. Once you and your agent have discussed which offer is the best and might give you the least problems in the end, the next step would be an inspection. Now, during an inspection, a certified home inspection, and now these people are certified by the state of Michigan, they will help the buyer to get more familiar with your house. Again, they are minimizing touching, wearing gloves, keeping the hand sanitizer around. It will be in your house probably about 2 hours. If the house is ranging from 800 to 2,000 square feet, they might be in there about 2 hours. So do expect that as well. So now, providing everything went well and went smooth with the inspection, the next step would be the appraisal. Now, the appraisal, what we've seen is some of the lenders are allowing the appraisers to appraise the property from the exterior and based on the pictures that have already been taken. So, but if the appraiser does need to come inside of your house, they might only be inside for 10 to 20 minutes, taking photos and making sure, you know, the plumbing and water works. All right, so once that appraisal's done, it's time for closing. Providing everything is smooth with the inspection and the appraisal, it is time for closing. This is when the title company steps in, prepares all of the closing documents, calculates the current taxes, and all of that good stuff. And it's time to get ready to close the deal. All right, remember that key information I told you I would say at the end. All of these things will happen providing your house shows well, your property is marketed well, and your property is priced well. And if you're trying to sell for top dollar. Now, if you were selling for cash, this whole story would be different. But that is how, or that is what to expect when you're selling your house today for top dollar and the buyer is getting financing. That's it for today. If you got any value from this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you know someone who's thinking about selling, please don't hesitate to share this video with them. And if there is a topic or something I should have covered in this video, please leave it in the comment section below. I will be happy to respond so that everybody can see. Thanks for watching. It's your empowered realtor, Katina. I will see you at the closing table. Bye.